clean coal. You've heard a lot about it, so let's take a tour of the state-of-the-art clean coal facility. Amazing! Machinery's kind of loud, but that's the sound of clean coal technology. And while burning coal is one of the leading causes of global warming, the remarkable clean coal technology you see here changes everything. Take a good long look. This is today's clean coal technology.
The video demonstrates how the current claim that clean coal exists is a myth. Eastern Kentuckians need to be made aware of coal's harmful effects on the environment, the populace, and what steps they need to take towards supporting a cleaner energy source.
We interviewed Dr. Shannon Bell, a UK sociology professor who is an expert on coal.
Clean coal does not exist, and it does not exist for a variety of reasons, one of which is the fact that even when coal is cleaned to burn more cleanly, the waste from that cleaning process is toxic, and it is going somewhere, and it is polluting another place. Coal plants that are burning, but they are producing more toxic coal ash, and so that coal ash then has to go somewhere, and is often stored in huge impoundments, and there can be toxic waste releases, like the one that happened in Tennessee a few years ago, and contaminate groundwater, contaminate the streams in the area.
Here are a few other environmental impacts of coal. Mountaintop removal destroys mountaintops, strips the land of vegetation, and destroys wildlife habitats. Large amounts of radioactive and heavy metals are produced, which can drain into and contaminate the local water supply. Furthermore, burning coal releases many greenhouse gases, contributing to global warming.
Some of the health risks due to coal pollution are black lung, kidney disease, emphysema, hypertension, and mercury and selenium poisoning.
The fact that the counties that have the highest coal reserves and have had the most coal mined in them, most coal mined from them, are the poorest counties in the United States. It's because their economies have been set up as a mono economy. Some people call it, an internal colony in the United States, an energy resource colony, an energy sacrifice zone that is there basically to provide cheap energy to fuel the United States energy demands. And so the people who live in these areas have had to suffer the consequences of pollution from mining coal, also had to suffer the boom and bust cycle of coal. They have depended on these jobs. Employment in the coal industry has declined so significantly in the past 50 years, and because the industry was really set up to be a mono economy without other things being able to come in, those people, once those jobs disappear because of mechanization or because of mountaintop removal and coal mining, which needs fewer and fewer miners to mine the same amount of coal that they were mining years ago, once those jobs leave, there's not something that has come in to take the place of those jobs.